Meguire's Headlight Restoration Kit. This is a two-part kit with a cleaning solution and then a headlight sealant. So we'll try it out on my 2014 XV Crosstrek and see how it works. Here's the directions in the back. Pretty simple. It basically breaks down to shake bottle before use, clean off the headlights with the solution in the pads, make sure they're 100% clean before you apply the sealant, and then seal it. This is what the Subaru headlights look like right now. They're not terrible, but you can definitely tell they're not nearly as new looking as, say, Ranger's headlights. So we're gonna give this stuff a try and hopefully it shines them up. So here's everything that was in the box. We got headlight coating, headlight cleaning solution, 2 cleaning pads. We're gonna try to get it done with just that. So I just got finished scrubbing the first headlight. And you can already see there's a difference. Here's the two side by side. Here's the one I just scrubbed. And here's the one we haven't done yet. So we'll scrub this one too, then we'll get soap and water out, scrub them off a little bit more, make sure we get all the cleaning product off, wipe them down real good, and then we'll put on the coating. Okay, I had to switch to my phone because the camera battery died, but as you can see, after putting the coating on, I washed them again with soap and water. Boy, do they look a million times better. So you can see they'll never be completely shine. I guess you could get, you know, a buffing wheel out here and really smooth them out. But oh my God, they are 10 times better than they were before. You can actually see the inside of the housings now. That wasn't necessarily true before. So here's our famous, ominous dark road on the Subaru with stock lights. And they're okay. They're certainly better than they were before we cleaned them off. They were pretty dingy before. It's already noticeable that they did a better job. It's arguable they did a better job than the stock Ranger headlights. Stock Ranger headlights were a little on the pathetic side. So here's the Morimotos in the Subaru. And as you can see, at least concentration on the front is quite a bit stronger. Look brighter to me. The moon is pretty much gone now. There's a little bit of starlight out, but it should be dark enough to get an accurate comparison. So sorry that the video of installing these wasn't the greatest, but there's barely any room at all up front in the Subaru where the headlights reside. And you always have to remember that the headlights are the outside lights and not the inside lights. Because the first time I had a headlight go out, I sat there the whole time replacing the bright.